so before you go in there, vote for Ralph McDougan. Straight in to the right, all right?
Already did, boss.
Statement, no mask.
Hey,
Hello, sir. Gonna have to pat you down before you go in.
Pat me down.
Make sure you got no naughty naughties on you.
Oh
No
shit!
weapons.
Let me put my dildo
It's
in
only
my car.
weapons. Okay.
Oh shit.
What happened, Kay?
You gotta put your guns away.
You guys want to put in my trunk? I've got a van I can go throw it until after.
You should be alright. Let's just lock it up. Or
Yo, Eugene, let's put our guns in your car.
Oh.
Is there? Oh, there's a garage around the corner. I'll just go park my car after.
Think you need the cops are gonna chase you?
no, should be good.
Oh, okay. Having a big war. Should be fine. Yes.
McDougan.
y'all are doing your job.
What's
What's the word?
that?
Rehabilitation.
Okay, you ready?
Yes, sir.
I'm
All right.
ready.
All right, sweetheart.
Hola,
Make
hola.
sure it's just a general statement.
Have you
Make
any
sure you
weapons on
don't
your
have
bus?
any masks on or anything
No
like
weapons.
that.
Look like a criminal?
You're good
Whoa.
to go.
No.
Sir, with the bucket hat.
Yes.
I'm gonna have to search you
I just realized I had fucking.
because
Huh?
it is the rules of the courtroom. Or
Oh,
the
let
court
me,
in general, no
Shit, I left my
weapons.
phone in the car.
Oh, I'll go put it away then.
All right, first court case. See what this is all about. Actually, I think it's just a here. I don't think this is actually a full blown case right now.
Somebody else's home.
Someone did boo boo. Oh,
Mr. K, how are we today?
oh, hey guys. Don't mind my tire. I just don't want to get shot by these officers again. I'm so scared. Good one, right? Good one, right?
Feel free to have a seat, Mr. K.
I was gonna say, does he know which case he's appealing right now?
Oh fuck. What's the fuck? Wrong case or what? Goldberg?
Objection.
Should I take it off?
We're doing all right. Mr. K, we're doing all right.
Alright, I'll just take it
I'm
off.
gonna open up with introductions. I'm gonna open up with a motion to dismiss this case. So let me do the talking first, and then we'll play ball based on that afterwards. Okay?
Sure, sure. Vinny should be here any second.
All right, great.
What's up, Zone?
I would.
What's good, guys?
I don't have running water. Running water up there.
Bro, that guy's head looks so fucking big over there.
Well, okay.
Bro, look at that bald-headed bitch-ass cop over there.
I mean, they might. That's private money.
Yeah, you're blocking my view.
Look at that ugly fucking cop right there. His head looks like a brick. Oh,
He's
hey,
a brickhead.
officer, how you doing? Looking great today. Like what you did with your mustache.
Sir, can we
Helmet head shiny.
at least during the decorum
Oh,
of
sorry,
our
you're right.
glorious
I'm
courtroom?
sorry for
you see
complimenting you.
Lady Justice up there? Let's respect her at least.
Why is your eyes closed?
Took me so long to find the room.
Mr. Potato Head. Oh, where the fuck is Vinny?
Oof. Yeah. I'm sorry for your loss, Raymond.
I'm gonna try to not let the sadness in.
Your loss.
Mr. Goldberg, are all of your clients present, or just the one?
I do believe they are en route currently. Mr. K is here as a representative for the plaintiffs at this time.
All right, thank you.
Yes, thank you, Justice.
Fuck it. I say just send Vinny to jail.
Yo!
Bro, everyone here is fucking waiting for it. What are you doing?
Bro, they were searching me. I'm coming in now.
Jesus Christ, man. They're gonna send us to jail.
everything's good, Mr. K. Everything's good so far. Let's just hang out, wait for introductions here, and then we'll proceed with our motion.
Sorry.
Late like usual.
Look,
You fucking come dressed, Jesus fucking Christ.
Well, bro, I don't want to get shot again, you know?
That is true. That is true.
Hello, Mr. Pistone. How you doing today?
What's up, Goldschlager?
Not too much. Just you know, hanging in court.
Oh, all right. Wait, why are we on the fucking defendant side? We're supposed to be on the right side. We're the plaintiffs.
I mean, they were over there. I mean, to me, a table's a table,
Yeah,
right?
the fucking criminals. They should be over here.
I mean, a table's a table's a table.
Hey Goldberg, would you be
Yeah.
okay once Agatha is available, well now she's available, to meet for the pre-trial motion while we wait for your third client?
I think I have some behind.
I would be very interested in meeting for the pre-trial motion. Actually, yeah, whenever.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You're so amazing, awesome, and so is Agatha.
Okay, I'm gonna be real. I don't remember nothing what happened that day.
Wow, this is so amazing and awesome.
Yeah, you can come up, Goldberg.
Do you hear me?
Goldberg, I'm just getting wet wipes. Don't worry. Nothing bipartisan going on here. Thank you.
That's quite all right.
Oh, don't worry about that. My friend Reaper Stone uses wet wipes too, and I have to help him wipe because he has a bad low back.
Yep. Yeah. Baby wipes are the way to go.
Really? I thought that was
Well, these are
Baby
because
wipes, Vinny
Chadwick got his
Pistol?
nasty butt.
Guys,
sweat on
shut the
chair.
fuck up with your
Oh,
big
Mr.
ass
Potato
egghead.
Head?
Yes.
Okay, do you remember anything with this case? Because I don't.
Oh, they're great.
Yeah, that's good.
I think I got shot.
That's all I remember.
So, I mean, if we need to recess for counsel, we absolutely can.
Sorry, guys.
But I'm gonna speak with the DA before we start this thing. I'm
I thought we were friends, Vinny. After all we went through last night.
Fuck up, Gus.
I will say, if you're standing over there,
Sitting in my chair 3
then
times.
you're bringing it on yourself.
Oh my god, you're scaring me. Oh my god.
Touch, you're
big
doing that thing where
bully.
you... Hey,
I
come.
gotta be. Okay.
Take
Yeah,
it
sorry, I was
outside room.
pulling my balls out.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you eat your balls out and everything.
Rami's not coming, by the way.
Wait, is this about yesterday?
Oh, okay,
It's about
understood.
yesterday or what? What's going on?
Nah, this is the casino
Yeah,
incident.
give me a moment.
Oh shit! I bet.
Mommy actually
You're
didn't lie.
man-spreading,
I was
Tux.
like,
You're
damn, I
man-spreading.
thought they already had it set up and
I'm
shit.
playing
Damn.
tennis.
I'm so happy.
Can I be
No,
the
no, I
jury?
thought he was, but he's not.
He's not.
We be jury?
Not anymore. I brought him back.
It was a casino.
You brought him back. What are you, a
Her pussy's
necromancer now?
powerful.
Yeah, I got that powerful puss.
Damn, okay.
Ever since the casino, I've been so afraid of getting shot. That's why I've
He's
been wearing this all
terrified.
day, man.
I know, they're bullies, bro.
Pretty
They're
good, right? Good
bullies.
story, right?
Shit, really good story.
I don't know, like a while ago. Oh no, like a week and a half ago or some shit like that.
Oh, they got here pretty
No,
quick.
I think actually 2 weeks ago, to be honest.
I mean, it got to court fairly quick.
What you mean 2 weeks ago?
Oh, Mr.
That's good from what I was too.
Mr. Shlomo.
Oh. I mean, like,
Yeah,
I remember
yeah.
they tried to
Like
charge
3
us with the
months,
gang
no.
shit, and we were the only
Donut
ones
chair.
arrested. The other people got,
I
remember?
like a donut
that
for
good?
his butt to sit on.
Why did
since he
everybody
got
start
shot in
talking at the
butt.
same fucking time?
You know what? He's pretty resilient. He's you know, he just doesn't want to be singled out by any kind of special treatment. So he will
Okay.
sit like the rest of us. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, all right. Just wanted to make sure his butt was okay.
All right. Well, thank you to all of you who have gathered here today to bear witness to today's proceedings. Mr. K, El Ramen, and Pistone versus the state will begin momentarily. Please, as a reminder, silence your cell phones at this time. And all please rise for the Honorable
do I
Justice
do that?
Harper Harlow.
Just notifications.
Do we cheer now?
This
What is this, the national anthem?
Oh, thank you.
Hi,
My
thank
legs
you
are
everyone for
insignificant.
coming today. The court would like to offer one reminder
Sit the
and
fuck
warning
down, right?
that you are all guests here at the pleasure of the court, and that privilege may be revoked by the court at any time. Any disruptions to this hearing from any party will be subject to contempt of court charges starting at $3,000 for the first offense, Further offenses increased by 5,000 per occurrence and/or removal from the courtroom. With that said, consider that your one warning, and I will call this hearing into.
Rico, not this shit again with the fucking beeps.
All right, may I have introductions, please? First from the plaintiffs.
Is that us?
Yes, Your Honor.
Goldschlag.
Today, representing the plaintiffs, I am the counsel, Shlomo Goldberg, of the law firm here in Los Santos, and we have Mr. Cabun and Vinny Pistone representing the plaintiffs today. Mr. Al Rahman is unable to make it to the proceedings today, Your Honor. And while we are having these introductions, I do believe, upon speaking with the clerk, that this is the appropriate time to inform you that before the trial today, I submitted a pre-trial motion for dismissal with the clerk, and I would like it to be observed.
All right, just allow me a moment to allow the defense to introduce themselves, and then I'll call a sidebar. We'll get everyone up and look at this motion, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and for the defense?
Is this the opening statement, Your Honor, or are we just
Just an
introducing?
introduction. Just an introduction.
Oh my God, he's
I
so
got it.
dumb.
Commissioner Tony Rico, joined by 2 DA officers. Go ahead.
Bro, Billy, he's so dumb.
I got the D, I got the Loveless.
Rico's
There's
dumb
your
as
first
fuck.
office.
Oh my God, this guy's so dumb.
Look at him.
Bro,
Fucking
we're gonna win
thick-ass
this so
mustache.
easy.
Hunter Davies. There's
Oh,
your
way
first
smarter
office.
than this guy.
All right,
Fucking
may I please
bald-ass
have all
motherfucker
counsel
just
to
he has
the
gorilla glue sticking on the wig of
bench
his.
to discuss
I
this
thought that was a
pre-trial
wig.
trial motion?
It is a wig.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do we go up there?
Yeah, you're totally right, Vinny. The judge is so awesome and cool. She's so smart. She's the best
Oh, the
ever.
judge is amazing,
You're
bro.
right.
She's
You're totally
the
right.
best ever.
You know what I'm saying? Just
Imagine Goldschlager gets this thing fucking dismissed, bro. We get all our shit back.
Goldschlag? You think he has a Goldschlag?
Goldschlager, is that not his name?
Goldschlag.
Goldschlag,
Wait, is it Goldschlag? Oh shit.
Volker, isn't it?
I think they put not guilty, so it's more of like an appeal type of thing.
Yeah, but
They're gonna
they,
hear
they
this.
said the cops are the defense, right? So why is their lawyer pushing for dismissal?
Your Honor, it should be stated, however, that while
Nice,
case
Schlong.
law is valid in most cases, that case law is also
I think he's
predicated
probably
on other
trying to
case
get
law that is
dismissed
founded
with the
within
charges.
our codified system that
No,
late
charges
evidence
dropped
is
and case
admissible
dismissed.
if it is
This guy Rico doesn't shut the fuck up for 2
So how it
minutes.
works, if you plead not guilty, you automatically have to come to court.
submitted by Mr. Gio.
Wait, do I?
Wait,
I do?
In fact,
so like
I would
they
like
would
to
be
Yeah, so
defendants in that
this
case.
If
right?
you haven't
So-
heard this,
a
plead
very
no
dangerous
contest. If you don't
precedent
want to
where
plead
we
not
are
guilty,
expecting,
just say no.
What the fuck, Ray?
Plead guilty like 4 times, not guilty like 4 times. We have to do 4 cases now.
Oh, Ray and Zola, that's so cute.
prosecutorial matters.
What the hell is Ray sitting on my lap?
Aw, look at that cute couple. They're so cool.
What, do you not like
I like this shit. I like this shit.
Yeah,
Oh,
racist.
shit.
Introduce her.
If you're going to converse,
hold
please
him.
do so at a whisper, or you'll be subject to contempt
Hold him
of court.
tighter.
Thank you.
You're right, ma'am.
Yeah.
You're so right, and they are so sorry.
Can you stop being
So
subjective,
sorry.
bro?
Hey, what's up, shorty? She looking cute.
Yes, Your Honor.
How you doing? How you doing?
Here.
Talking to Raymond again?
Here we go.
Just be the biggest fucking sucker.
Another
You're right about everything, man.
as well.
Seen that they
And that is the
appealed?
fact that when did you file,
Yes.
Cuomo?
Let him.
We have,
That's not Rom.
Oh shit, I forget the.
Like
That's-
he was like walking years.
What was her name, Rosa?
Who heard cop? Donovan.
Yeah.
Please deal with your phones, thank you.
You have one job, Ray.
Thought this was on. Sorry.
And refrain from any unwanted comments. Thank you.
Sorry, ma'am. He kind of a player. He kind of a player.
Wait, what?
Seems like it.
Is the phone off or on when it's got the volume and the X on it?
Some pink for the top.
Oh shit, good point. Is that Wi-Fi? Is you connected to the Wi-Fi, homie?
To be safe, just put it all the way down.
Oh, like 0%. Oh yeah.
Move over, Tux. I can't sit on that.
I'm trying to. But you,
I am sorry, Your Honor. So
there's enough space.
I'm not saying.
They're like an entire. They're like enough for like
Ignore
4
that.
cheeks right now, dude.
It's getting way too comfy.
Yo,
in
what
here.
the fuck, Paris? You my sister, dude.
Paris.
Damn.
It's just not enough room. It's just not enough room.
There is enough room. Just like.
Look who just walked in the courtroom.
A dick walked into the room.
Smells like cheese, dick.
It was gonna be so
Do you want to sit on my lap instead?
Send it to Mateo.
Which side do I sit on?
You sit on my lap, Dick.
There you go, little boy, that motherfucker.
There's no more room on the other side.
I
There's
think
no, he's the lead
I'll
Chamber of
move
Commerce
here.
now. He's the head Chamber of Commerce.
He's sitting too, huh?
Yeah, he won.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, Dick is on the cock now.
Yeah, Dick's a cock now. Hey, Dick Cock.
Dick cock. Oh, he's the head of the cock, actually.
Yeah.
My argument is that there was witness statements. It was just in person, present at the time of.
Carmela, is that Lois Griffin up there?
I will remind Council
Ralph, down here at the front.
Your Honor, but guilty.
What's up?
Not much, you.
It's a peachy mirror.
Remember that last time we were here, and then Miss
Oh, I
Harlow
remember.
told me off like a naughty school child.
Never forget it.
Yes, what's up, Kamala? I went there yesterday.
Who the fuck did in the phone call?
And that's all right.
Oh, it's Shlomo Goldberg. That's his name.
I took
Shlomo.
a flight to the
Shlomo.
theater.
Oh, really?
Back to the theater. Good.
Yeah, fantastic, honestly.
Oh, lovely.
Hey, by the way,
So amazing.
have you
And
seen
they
the new
put little
pistol, FNX, bro?
differences in it, like nuances.
Oh, you know I got one.
There anymore.
Excuse me?
You grab the other one?
You didn't read the sign?
It was
There was no sign. I put up the sign, bitch.
I put up a fucking sign. Don't take the FNX pistols.
Probably the best I've ever seen.
Oh, I took it.
Why the
I
fuck
took
you
it.
carrying one? Keep that in there.
And I've been
I don't have one on me.
seen it like 10 times.
Yeah, where'd you put it?
It's in Carmela's car right now.
There's some water on the floor.
What
if
the fuck
you
you
can
carrying
reach
the
it.
FNX for?
I don't know, because yesterday my fucking bullets felt like fucking
I got
goddamn.
you.
Well, it's 'cause you can't aim,
paintballs.
but, you know.
I was hitting every fucking shot in my asshole. Don't fucking start
You
your
gotta
bullshit
keep
with
those
me,
safe
okay?
for if we do have a big moment like that, and that means we have them, and you didn't lose them to robbing a fucking jewelry store or some shit.
For forgiving, they're already begging to win.
Okay, do you really think I'm stupid?
Oh, you got a donut?
The reason why I took it is because I
you
went down
want
to
the
the
answer?
Vagos because I was actually gonna shoot them. That's why.
Why would you shoot the Vagos?
I was in my fields, thinking they fucking snitched on us, and they ratted, they snaked us.
Where
and
the
got
fuck
away
are y'all
with us.
getting your information from?
Just saying.
Why would the Vagos have snitched on us?
I'm joking. I literally just went down there to find out what was going on. Because Hutch was telling me one story.
What did you do,
and
Vinny?
then fucking and Tugs was telling me another story. So I was like, let me just go. Let me go to the fucking ceviche guy.
They definitely took advantage, but they didn't. They're not the snitches.
Hey, Vinny, what did you do, man?
Shut the fuck up, Dick.
What? Why are you up here?
Yo, by the way, we
about
can hear everything y'all saying.
Yeah, you guys are really loud. I'm very good at whispering.
Yeah, we can hear everything.
Oh, I'm whispering. I don't know what to tell you.
You're just Italian. What can I say?
I'm just saying, Paris. That's what I'm fucking talking about, Paris.
Ralph, you wanna come and squat yourself behind me for old time's sake?
Yeah, you can do it, please.
Oh, it's the guy that's gonna win mayor.
Yeah.
It's that mayor guy.
It's the future mayor.
I should have ran for mayor. I'd have won.
Yeah.
Oh, Ralph.
How long is this fucking sidewalk going on for?
Cops are begging for the win already.
That
Like,
teabag?
please.
Mr.
Are they
Shalom's
having
doing
a
his magic, you know
sidebar
what I'm
or
saying?
full-blown meeting?
Case dismissed.
And that's what we had here. But that's what we had. We were not made aware that something happened along the way.
Also, discovery doesn't apply here because you're appealing the charges. I mean, to a certain
I'm not
extent,
entirely sure what they're doing here.
I think they're up there having a chat about like probably what they're gonna order for Fernando's.
Oh, I'd love a Nando's right now. Some
Just
halloumi
itch to
cheese,
scratch.
road to Lumi. It's just good. It's not like the
Now,
best
question
thing in
is,
the world,
which
but it's
weeder
just
house should we go after? I mean, anyone that is available. Should we even be picky on that front? Or yeah, maybe we just don't even be picky. Whatever's fucking
Thank you for your
available.
patience, ladies and
Because we
gentlemen.
just have to knock one out and then we can take one.
Oh, they're ready.
All right. So we've
Because
had
you don't get
introductions on both
the one we
sides.
take out,
Plaintiffs,
chat,
are you
isn't the
ready
one
to
we get.
proceed?
That just renews a new one to be generated.
Yes,
There'll
Your
be a
Honor.
different spot.
Defense, are you ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, plaintiffs, the floor is yours to make your
So
opening
really, it's just if
argument.
we find one that's available and we can hit it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I will warn you. I would like opening arguments.
Maybe
to
we
be
just black out and it
between
don't even matter.
3 and 4 minutes, no longer, if possible.
Very well. All right. Ladies and gentlemen of the court, Your Honorable Justice, thank you for your time today. We stand here, my plaintiffs and I, not only as representatives of the clients here, but as advocates for the justice system and fairness in general. Our legal system is built on the principle that every individual, regardless of their past, has a right to a fair trial. Now, although my clients have prior charges, we must don't let those cast a shadow over the current proceedings. The charges for which we're here today and which the appeal has been filed here, we deserve to be examined on their own merits. It's essential that we don't allow any preconceived notions based on past incidents or prejudice of the court's evaluation become present in the case. Before we delve into the specifics of this case, I want to address a matter of utmost importance. And that was that right to fair trial. It's fundamental to bedrock of our legal system, of course. It means that every person, regardless of their past, is entitled to a fair and impartial trial. Turning our attention to something very important to this case and the proceedings that will follow today is the timing of the report updates in the police files. It's our contention that the delayed addition of these crucial elements kind of hampered the ability to mount an effective case here. We filed this far before the police file was updated with new information, including a witness statement from someone that was at the scene of the incident. This, coupled with the fact that the lack of information on the original report should have led to the arrest of both parties involved, raises significant questions about the fairness and impartiality of the legal proceedings here today, in my opinion. Also, as it is crucial to the incident, the only witness statement on record comes from an employee of the casino, the other party to this incident, who has a vested interest in the outcome. This brings into the question, in my opinion, the reliability and partiality of the available testimony. We must consider the possibility of bias, given the relationship between the witness and the owners of the casino. As we proceed here, all I ask for is fair and unbiased examination of the facts. Let us not forget that my clients, like every other individual in this city and this county, this state, and this country, they are entitled to a fair trial. And we must trust that upon careful consideration, the court will see the importance of addressing these concerns and ensuring that justice is served appropriately. Thank you, Your Honor.
Damn, Dick just whipped it up, bro.
Thank you, Mr. Goldberg.
Damn, Shalom.
This fucking idiot's gonna talk now. Jesus.
Your Honor, thank you for hearing us today on this plea. Today, the defense would like to have you believe that they are going to be able to dismiss this on 4 key points, exhibits 1 through 4. They also want to convince you that the state had no right or ability to add in evidence at the time in which they did. I would like to argue that clearly with the fact that all witness statements that have been added to the actual court filing were all witnesses that were available to the defense counsel at the time of charging. All these officers were present and giving testimony at the time of those charges being filed. Therefore, his point is irrelevant. Furthermore, Your Honor, even if this was not the case, we have the ability to impeach what he has said here. This is a clear exemption to the inadmissible evidence doctrines in which he has referenced. Furthermore, Your Honor, we have on Exhibit 1 and 2 the lack of witness statements attesting to an assault, the lack of evidence or police statements stating which party began shooting in the incident. Both of these are easily refutable by the fact that we do have witness statements. There also was a 911 call that was levied by the owner of the casino at the time, Barlow came, which brought us to that location. In addition, Your Honor, there also, what I'd like to reference for you, is a restraining order that was filed the night or the day before, which is reference 2513, against Paris Argyle. Is that correct? Who was the getaway driver listed in statements here as well. That clearly
What did I
shows
do?
a
What did I
pattern
do?
of incidents at
How
the
did he
casino.
pronounce
Do you
it?
have a restraining order?
Furthermore,
I don't know.
Your Honor, on Exhibit 3, on
do I
the
have
assault
one
charges
on?
that were filed against Mr. K, despite him not having a weapon on his person, I want to point the court towards what the legal definition of attempt is, which is an incohate, which is covered in the assault charge. It literally says attempts to is an inchoate crime where an individual with the intent to actually commit a crime undertakes an action in furtherance of that crime but ultimately fails. Therefore, based on that evidence alone and the fact that we have witness statements that testified to the fact that Rami El-Rahman went to the corpse, or what looked like the corpse, of a disheveled Mr. Kaban and potentially tampered with what he had. He also was GSR positive. We also have witness statements to say that at the scene. Also, on Exhibit 4, Your Honor, despite no foundation, evidence, or impartial witness statements, opposing party to the incident was not apprehended, tested for GSR, searched, and charges were levied against them. This also is completely irrelevant based on the fact of the duty to act doctrine, which has been clearly reinforced through case law over time itself. Therefore, Your Honor, we're ready to defend this
Mr.
with
Kebab.
the full brevity of the law. Also, we apologize on the state's behalf for the deflating of Mr. Kabun's ass through a bullet wound.
Your Honor, I'm not comfortable with him talking about my ass like that in court.
Objection, slander against the prosecution.
Your Honor, we're simply apologizing for the fate which he has been inflicted.
It's okay, Mr. K. It's okay.
Okay, all right. If the plaintiff needs to stand for his comfort, that is all right.
I had to for 2 weeks.
I'm okay. I don't want them
Mr.
looking at my
King.
ass anymore.
Very well, then we'll proceed.
What ass?
All right, so back to you, Mr. Goldberg. Do you have any evidence or witnesses to present to the court today?
You know, Your Honor, yes,
I'm gonna need
did
you to
call-
sing out, Louise.
My apologies, Your Honor.
You're good.
Yes, so, with these things being said, I would like to, do I have a, I would like to bring, let's see, Officer Donovan, if she's present today, I would like to call her as a witness, please.
All right, Tina, pledge your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth under pains and penalties of perjury?
So I swear.
So she swears.
So he just fall into our trap.
All right,
sworn
he's
it.
sworn.
Okay.
Officer Donovan, you may take a
Swearing
seat.
in court.
Any merch drop this holiday season? Yeah.
Hello, Officer Donovan. I assume that...
Yeah, we're working on them.
You know who I am, yeah.
So hopefully.
All right. Well, Donovan, I have a very short line of questioning for you today. It was regarding a short
Gang-related-
discussion that we had while we were in the
Gang-related
cells
shooting?
the day of this incident. Now, when I gave you a call, which you had been one of the original officers to call me down to the cells when my clients were apprehended there, you and I discussed that you were at the scene at the
More
time,
hoodies,
or you were making
sweatpants?
your way to the scene from the hospital. Do I recall that correctly?
Objection, leading.
Sustained. Would you please rephrase?
When I called you on the phone, you gave me your whereabouts and where were you at the time?
Objection, Your Honor. Lacks foundation. We haven't determined that he ever called Miss Donovan.
Sustained. Mr. Goldberg, please rephrase.
Goldberg. What the fuck is our lawyer doing?
I will rephrase. Officer Donovan.
You're the fucking one that got this
What
guy.
was our interaction on the day of the incident? Where did it begin?
I cannot say for certain. It was a very long day.
All right. Very long day. Can't say for certain.
Your Honor, I can hear the cop.
I am shouting. Sorry. That's about as loud as I can get.
Okay. So, you can't remember.
Open your ears,
it
dumb
was a very
fuck.
long day. Okay. So, that being said, do you remember?
Turn your hearing aid up.
Any phone calls between you and I?
All right, tell me that when the Phillies lose, you piece of
The
shit.
interaction I recall is down in the.
Fuck you, bitch. Stupid ass
Alright.
motherfucker.
Okay.
How's the Yankees doing?
So,
wait.
you don't remember any phone call or anything in regard it.
There, we got Aaron Judge. We're so good now.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Donovan. So, I would not have knowledge of your goings on without you having told me on the phone during a conversation of what you had been doing.
Objection, Your Honor.
I am stating relevance to my knowledge of this case, Your Honor.
He is testifying.
I am not. I am not even leading into a narrative. I am trying to establish why I have called this witness here today in the first place. It was a phone call that was held between her and I.
Yes, Your Honor, but we would request that the answers come from the witness, not the attorney.
They make a point, Mr. Goldberg.
All right.
This fucking Goldberg guy's pissed me
being said,
off.
Donovan?
What the hell's he doing, man? Look at us look like fucking idiots.
Before you
What
went
the
to
fuck's that guy
scene
eating?
that day? Your police work pertaining to this case.
You're the fucking one that hired this fucking asshole.
Tell me where you were.
I didn't fucking hire him.
This is your fucking fault. Yes.
I never met this guy.
You said this is the best lawyer in the city.
What the fuck? Where's my laptop?
And what took you to the hospital?
The suspects on the other side were dropped off.
A laptop break?
And I wanted to check on their injuries.
Suspects on the other side? Were they suspected of anything?
They were undetained at the time.
They
Other
were
officers
undetained.
transferred.
Okay, so
Detainment.
they were under detainment. Were they being detained under suspicion of anything?
Objection,
they
asked
just
and
simply-
answered.
It's relevant to the case.
She clearly stated they were suspects and they were detained.
What were they suspects for?
Huh? What were they sucking suspects for? Tell me that.
Okay. And then were they released
What the fuck
at the
is that?
hospital?
Yes.
He's cleaning windows, bro.
Okay. And were any charges filed against them?
I cannot say for certain. I did not file the charges.
Excellent. Okay. Well, the plaintiffs, we rest at this time, Your Honor. That's all I needed. Thank you.
Oh shit, I think the server's gonna restart after this court case too.
I
what
finished
the
with-
fuck? I don't want
Oh,
Wait,
shit,
very
oh.
careful
God.
when you say you rest your case.
No, yeah.
Or
no,
some new
my
shit.
apologies. Rest is a
Jesus
bad word.
The
Very
phrase is
naughty
no
word.
further questions. Yes. Okay.
No further questions.
Officer Donovan, name and
Good
rank,
shit,
please.
Dick.
Jesus Christ.
You fucked up, man. What the fuck are you doing?
Oh, Goldschlang, what the fuck are you
Goldschlang,
doing, bro?
you look like an amateur
Perfect.
there.
Thank
They
you
were
very
fucking
Listen,
saying all the
In
type
your
of shit about
position
you.
As a detective in the Major Crime
Hold on,
Division,
Mr.
have you ever dealt with cases belonging to Mr. Gamon or Mr. Piston?
Did you say pissed on?
Your Honor, again, I had the same
Bro.
problem with this individual. It's Pistone.
Did somebody get this dying dog from behind me over here? Officer, please shoot this thing.
Your Honor, it's just
Holy
my
fuck.
accent.
Your
doing
Honor,
that?
the judge last time told me he was going to get contempt if he continued to call me. He has to call
His
me by
dick right
Vinny in the
there.
Your
courtroom.
Honor, why is the
Mr.
defendant's...
Yeah, defendant, are you?
I am not the
personally
defendant here.
representing
We the
yourself?
plaintiffs. Thank you.
Are you
I'm gonna
personally
bring a
representing
fucking gun in
yourself?
here and shoot him myself.
No, 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 no.
Whoa.
We request
Excuse
criminal
me?
threat
Hey,
charges.
this fucking guy back here.
Whoever's
What's up,
doing that,
Your
please.
Honor.
It's
He's
Vinny
a figure-
fucking
figure of
fucking
speech.
fuck out
Figure
the
of speech.
courtroom.
It's an alliteration.
All right, so let me make this very clear.
So you're just not
once
gonna do
more.
nothing. Great.
Hugs, I'm scared.
Allow
I'm
me to make
scared
this very
too,
clear
dude.
one more time. All right.
Scared.
My question is to the plaintiff.
Look at their
Yvonne,
lawyer. They're going to
Are
fucking
you per se
jail.
representing yourself, sir?
No, but this came from a court order from the other judge.
I
He has to
understand
call-
that.
he has to
I
call me
understand
Vinny.
that, sir. But if you're not
Oh,
per
shit.
se representing yourself, if you continue to speak up, then your counsel will be dismissed, and you will be representing yourself.
So he's allowed to badger the.
Your Honor,
Yeah,
if
that's
I've
crazy.
Upset Mr. Piston in any way, I can't
Okay, here
recall
we
this.
go.
I just got
Say
out
that
of the
again, see
hospital
what
last
happens.
night. This
All right,
morning.
for the-
from a
Commissioner, for the remainder of this case, would you be willing to reference him as the plaintiff?
I could attempt to do that, Your Honor. I'm not that well at the moment, but I'll try my best.
All right. So we will refer to Mr. Pistone.
Piston.
Stone, like a stone.
Yes.
Pistone? Okay.
Oh, it's pissed on.
For the remainder of this case, if possible, please refer to him as the plaintiff, or the plaintiff sitting on the left side of the defendant bench.
Yes, Your Honor. I will refer to Rufus from here on out as the plaintiff.
Okay, my name is not Rufus, dickhead.
Oh, Vinny, sorry.
And also,
this
officers,
slander?
if you hear any noises coming from the gallery that have not made it to the bench but are distracting to either the plaintiff or the defense side, please charge them with the contempt of court.
Yes,
on the third
ma'am.
offense, that's $13,000, and they will be removed from my courtroom.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Coming to him.
Officer Donovan, as I was saying before, have you had any investigations that have led you to investigating the plaintiffs?
There's been a few shootings, namely the one that started up at the Break gas station.
But that's okay, Miss Donovan.
Chad, how do you think this is going? Because
Reference to
right now,
grapeseed
be real,
gas.
this shit ain't gonna fucking look good for us. What the fuck is
Could you go
Schlong
into
doing?
more detail there, please?
Objection, relevancy. What does another case have to do with anything of proceedings today?
I'm impeaching your witness, Mr. Goldberg.
This seems a little more prejudicial than probative, Your Honor. This is
Your Honor,
another
we're-
case entirely.
I'm actively impeaching the plaintiff's witness that they've called, Your Honor. I have every right to impeach the witness.
Your Honor, we're establishing a link as to why these individuals known, which is actually
Goldberg,
one
he's
of
leading.
their defenses. Therefore, we are trying to establish that has occurred.
All right,
Fuck
the
I will give
wall!
a short bit of lenience to this, but you may continue your questioning.
Delvin, no boss.
Let me be more direct, Miss Donovan.
Fuck the law!
During your investigations, has your investigations linked the plaintiffs to one of Miss Paris Argyle?
Okay, your turn. Now
Objection,
say
Your
it
Honor.
louder.
Leading.
What I do?
Your Honor, as you know, as cross-examination, we are allowed to lead the
He's
witness.
cross-examining. I'm sorry.
Very well, Your Honor.
Hey, you called the witness, buddy.
They want me to go up?
Rosa, get the fuck up there.
Do you, in your investigations, have you made a causal link between the plaintiffs and Paris Argyle?
I think the plaintiff lawyer is crashing and burning.
Miss Donovan.
Through social connections, I have.
Miss Donovan, talk to me, Miss Donovan.
Excellent.
Talk to
Have
me,
you
Miss Donovan.
Are you familiar with the restraining order that was placed upon Miss Argyle?
Yes, from the casino.
Yes. Reference in the case file. Do you need the number?
Yes.
What did you do? Be pretty or
Some
something.
DAs help me out.
2513.
251.
4456.
Could you please read that to me, Miss Donovan? And for the court, yes, please.
Restraining order has been accepted by law enforcement officers. Protects one Diamond Casino staff and ownership from Rosa Garcia, Carmela Corsett, and Paris Argo.
Wait,
Garcia,
holy shit, y'all
Corsett,
got training
Argo
orders?
not able to be in or within
that
500
fucking
feet
place.
of the
It's
Diamond
done as
Casino
fuck.
property, which includes the parking lot, or else they will be arrested
in order
and
for a
charged
restraining
with
order to be in effect, the party has to know about it.
Have you made any links between
Yeah, right?
the plaintiffs and the individuals listed in the restraining order?
Yes, Carmela Corsett and Rosa Garcia were seen on scene at the Great Sea Shootout Diamond.
Three of you to get a restraining order at a casino.
Defended ourselves? What the
Could you restate for the record, please?
Rosa Garcia and Carmela Corsett were seen on scene at the Great Sea Shootout I had previously mentioned.
Great Siege
Um,
Shootout?
And how were they identified, Officer Donovan?
was a picture taken of Rosa in her vehicle, and I believe Carmela was actively shooting while Rosa was sitting in a vehicle driving the police officer.
Right. Yeah. That's it.
All right. Plaintiffs, would you like to redirect?
Oh, Goldschlag,
No,
you
not
get
at
a-
this time, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, Detective Donovan, you may step down. You will remain under oath for the rest of the trial or the rest of this hearing, should your presence be requested again.
Ma'am.
Mr. Goldberg, your next witness.
What the fuck is going on right now?
I'm so fucking confused.
Yes, I did list Chief Lane as a witness, but as he is not here today, I withdraw my request for him as a witness. But I would like the actual case itself, the case file number 2522, to be admitted into evidence.
What the
regarding this
fuck
case,
am
Your
I in
Honor.
court for?
It already has been.
It already has been. This was the evidence that you wanted to strike at the beginning.
Yes. Now, I would like to bring up some very important factors in this. So, in the opening statements by the commissioner here, he's saying that none of the listed things on my suit are relevant because they did in fact have all of these things. But at the time of me filing this on the 29th of September, 3 days after the occurrence, none of these things were available to me. None of these things were available to my clients to read in their own case, the defense. These things were not updated until the 3rd and the 4th of October, well after I had filed these proceedings. So, the fact that this was allowed to proceed forward and we were allowed to make a court date for this, regardless of what was available to the police, was not available to me or my clients.
Mm-hmm.
Christ, Kay, all right.
So,
Objection, Your Honor. This is irrelevant. At the end of the day, Mr. Goldberg had access to all of this information at the time of charges being pressed in the cells. He is even calling witnesses
I mean,
on which
I could
witness
just lay out the
statements have been
truth.
provided upon the case file, like
Your Honor,
Chief
he
Lane,
also
etc.
requested that he also requested that this case file be
That's it.
admitted into evidence. So I'm not sure why he is arguing the validity of it when he wants it to be admitted.
I want this to be admitted into evidence because this was updated after the fact. There was only one statement on there from a Officer Whitlock up until the 3rd or the 4th of October. My proceedings were filed on the 29th,
Your
so
Honor.
I had no access. This is
Schmantics, gabantics. I know the truth, and I can say the goddamn truth.
You
Your Honor, there was investigative report 2451. Investigative report
Screw that report!
2451 that has been tagged to the lawyers that actually go through the entire investigation of this part of this case and the original casino shooting as of the 28th of September, Your Honor.
What was that report number? I'm sorry, the radio. noises were loud.
2451.
2451. Thank you.
Absolutely, Your Honor. And it also coincides with an arrest from the
the fuck is
incident
going on right now?
2461, not from the defendant, however, but it was still part of this incident. Therefore, there was information available to the
What the
counselor
fuck is going
as of
on?
September 28th.
I
I will
can say
also
with
remind the
certainty.
counselor that this is an appeal case, which opens up the case for the evidence available for the charges. So the state is providing this evidence
Lose
as
my fucking
reasons
mind.
for their charging.
Son, why have we not
Absolutely,
talked
Your
about the
Honor.
actual fucking issue the whole time?
Absolutely, Your Honor. So at the end of the day, 2451, whatever that is, I had access to 2522. Nothing else was linked to me, despite what is said by the district attorneys over there. I had no access to this, and therefore could not pose a reasonable defense for my clients.
Vinny, come over here.
Your Honor.
You're not.
Why didn't we question him? Hey,
you're not
why did you guys
doing
try to
this,
give him
sir.
fucking
Right,
gangsters?
we're appealing
Hey,
the
why didn't you
charges,
arrest the
which
other
means you're
fucking
asking
party?
the state to
Hey,
produce
did
the
you know that
evidence
one of the
in court
cops is dating
to make
a person in the other party?
Absolutely.
I don't know
I
what
get
guy's
this, Your
doing.
Honor, but as they
Look at me,
pleaded
I'm
not
fucking
guilty to
freaking
these
out over
charges,
here. I think we're gonna get more
I have
charges
to
on
pose
us.
a reasonable defense against why they are saying not guilty. That's what I'm saying. 2522 was the only thing available. If there was an investigative report available to me, it never came up.
Fuck, are we in math
If I
class?
input my, let's see, into the MDT, if I input my client's
is
names,
2522?
if I input the case number, nothing was available to me. I can attest to that. I will say that on penalty of perjuring myself.
I do also believe that it was a and it was stated that those individuals were present at the time of the
What's
charging.
going on with us,
and
guys?
gave verbal testimony.
Yes, Your Honor.
Am I misremembering that? Okay, I'm just checking.
Your Honor, I would like to argue that this is a skill issue.
Your Honor, we were also updated as of yesterday,
what?
from what I understand. However, as this is an appeal, we're strictly here to argue the evidence against the individual and then appealing as a not guilty, no contest plea. So we are here to provide that evidence, which we have done so.
Your Honor, I would also like to offer an apology from the defense table for saying that it was a skill issue.
I
And-
suppose that goes to Goldberg to accept or refute that.
And I would encourage you to hold the DA in contempt for that comment.
Really tweaking off that
That's a
gabagool.
very good point.
The fuck?
Bailiff,
The fuck?
please charge Mr. Agatha one count.
Should we just
contempt
run
of
the
court
fuck out of here?
$1,000.
Yes, ma'am.
Your
Who's
Honor,
getting
I would
contempt?
also state, however, that the individuals
got
did
a
have
lawyer.
access to all witnesses from
She's
the
almost
state
getting
side that they
contempt?
could have
How?
interviewed or called to the stand.
No,
And
they're
the
giving her.
witnesses were available at the
Oh, good.
time the
Fuck
charges
us.
were
What the
raised,
fuck just happened?
regardless of whether or not statements had been attached to the filing
Yeah,
as of
don't worry
yet.
about it, Mr. K.
Are you okay?
I'll deal with that later.
What just happened?
Your Honor, perhaps a recess would be in order.
Sure.
So we can all get our ducks in a row.
Absolutely. Let's call a
Can we kidnap me?
I don't know what's even going on at this point.
7-minute
out.
recess.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
we'll
I'm
reconvene at
confused.
35
fuck
after
you.
the hour.
Oh my god.
All right, Mr. K, Mr. Pistone, let's take a walk.
Come on, what the fuck is going on right now? 2, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 7. Am I in fucking math class or I'm in court over here?
Yes.
Same thing.
I didn't even know.
Is it the casino or like what the fuck
we
is
already
that?
handled that. They took it away the same night.
I said we make a run for it.
Oh.
Filed it.
Said we do it, bro.
Person knowing?
No clue what happened.
Hey, what's
No,
going on?
they have to tell him.
What a fucking day.
I know it's a case number,
Alright,
chat.
okay.
Fucking-
Don't forget to vote while you're here.
Call
Alright,
roleplay,
come
chat.
on.
Jesus
Let's
Christ.
go into my office here.
Good luck, brother.
Yo, Goldschlager cockface. Well, you fucking this whole
Come on.
case up for us.
Cockface, what you doing,
come
man?
Oh, you just gotta get to the fucking goddamn point. I'm losing my fucking my marbles are going.
All right, gentlemen, listen. The whole thing that I've been doing before, I made a pre-trial motion to dismiss this case based on their shitty police work. They ain't going for it. They
And what was the shitty police work? That they tried to arrest us for gang-related shooting, never arrested the other side, and that one of the officers is dating one of those people that was on the other side?
Yeah, absolutely. So the thing being here is I'm trying to get this dismissed because they updated you guys' police files on the 3rd and the 4th. And I submitted this on the 29th. So they had all this shit that I couldn't visibly see. And they're arguing that I had access to it because you guys heard it in the cells. It's horse shit. So I'm not trying to argue this case trying to get you guys out of an assault with a weapon charge here. I'm trying to get this whole fucking thing dismissed. Now these guys brought the full arsenal. First off, they brought a justice that is a fucking hot ass. They have the commissioner on the other side. The Agatha came out of fucking mothballs to come and do this, and she's got her assistant here. They're hitting us with the full force. I mean, so they're ready to play ball here. They're gonna. They don't want to have the case dismissed. They want to argue. They want to argue that this whole fucking assault with a deadly weapon is gonna stick at the end of the day. So now I have to argue that case. Now we'll hit it from a different angle. I've just been trying to do this without perjuring myself to say that, hey, let's just dismiss it. But they ain't gonna go for it. So now I gotta argue assault with a deadly weapon ×4 on you guys' behalf.
Shlomo, you better get us the fuck out of this.
Listen, Goldschlager, get to the fucking point of this fucking bullshit.
If I gotta shoot somebody, just say the words. I'm gonna kill that motherfucker.
No, Mr.
Hey, you know what? I could put
wouldn't
the chip eaters behind them. I started driving their side crazy because that fucking dude was dying it sounded like a dying dog behind us, man. The cop wasn't doing shit.
Yeah, Mr. Dudley is quite annoying. So
listen. Don't worry about the fucking court case 258376 point to the second power. Just get to the fucking point already and get us the fuck out of here.
The semantics are working. I said we go straight on these motherfuckers. Stop dropping down real facts on these bitches.
All right. Well,
I say we just kill everybody.
Your Honor,
Goldschlager
they some
cock
bitches.
face.
What happened is that officer fucking that dude, and they be fucking, so they don't want to cause no problems. So they be doing all that shit, and they be getting out of the West because they fucking each other. And the truth
Yeah,
of the matter
bullshit,
is,
bro.
if you're gonna arrest somebody for gang-related shooting, then you need to arrest both parties because that would be a gang-related fucking shooting.
Exactly. I got you. And this is something that I'm going to bring up. I literally just in my introduction, like the whole statement, did I not say that we need to be impartial, that we need to consider the past? Yes, of course, but not let it lead to prejudicial treatment of my clients. I've been trying to get this thing dismissed. I even did the pre-trial motion. They ain't having it. So now we got to play ball with the charges as they stand. And
All right, I'll get some people stabbed in the courtroom.
No, Mr. K.
Yeah, that perfect. I liked it.
Hey. Gadwick, what?
Hello.
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 Hello, Tomb Raider.
No, I don't know.
When did you go blonde?
Go blonde.
Last time I saw the Tomb Raider, it wasn't blonde hair.
Maybe next
Here,
time.
Misha. Look, I needed a change, okay? I had to go blonde.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm a big fan.
Officers, how's it going?
Thank you.
He's a big fan of you, man.
Be honest.
Also, Vinny, isn't that fucking the chief or whatever the fuck he is? That's like straight up slander, right? With your name? That's straight up slander. He's damaging your reputation.
Get the fuck out of here, dick. You ain't with us. You fucking rat.
Oh. Huh? What do you mean, rat? No
Oh.
fucking rat.
Get the fuck out of here, bitch.
Oh my god.
Oh, shit! Get out! Get away!
Shit. Motherfucker.
Fuck over, you cocksucker.
You ever hit my
What the fuck?
Okay. Oh.
what's going on?
I mean, he didn't do it on purpose.
Hashtag calm down. No more punching.
Needs a
please.
goddamn inhaler, dude.
Thank you.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, this floor is so shiny.
Not a fucking rat.
Get the fuck out of here, rat.
Oh my god.
Not a
She
rat.
was attacked.
Oh my god, the floor was wet and there's no wet floor sign.
Oh my god.
I need a lawyer.
Carmela, you should sue. Sue.
Oh my god. As well.
Sue that bald guy.
Honestly,
Sue this
Vin,
guy.
I said we run the
Sue
fuck
him
out
right
of
here.
bitch.
Huh? What happened?
I said we just leave. Let's fucking escape while we can.
Hey, wait for this motherfucker though.
I don't know if I can contain myself in there. I might shoot somebody.
I'm losing my fucking
Tripped
mind,
with
bro.
sweat from his
That's why I
bald
told
head.
Ray to go get a fucking knife for me.
Oh,
you were gonna say something else.
Okay.
I mean, what you gonna do then? What the plan, dude?
I told you not to kill the judge, homie.
Yeah, I mean, I got you, fam. I mean, listen, I'm gonna be real with you. I think they forgot to give out security right now.
Hungry, bro.
Oh no.
Oh, jeez.
What the fuck? Where'd he?
What the fuck? Where's the court?
Yeah, no.
Oh, hey, what the hell?
I slipped.
None of us have masks on, sir.
No masks unless you're ugly.
Other one as a second
wanna
one.
see.
I'm very beautiful, okay? I'm very beautiful.
Want to see it? Want to see? Yeah, get in
Get some
there.
long
Yeah,
legs.
get in that prison.
Oh, excuse me, sir.
Hey, Gunner. What?
Can we help you, Mr. Kevin?
What? I can't walk? It's illegal to walk?
What was that?
Was it illegal to walk?
Well, you're going by the Chief Justice.
What? It's illegal to fucking walk now? God.
No, it's not. I was asking if you
Sir,
need help.
you
So
are
say
not
you look
allowed
lost.
in
I can't
there.
walk. I can't walk.
Not in there. No.
Jeez, you guys are so
I'm
ridiculous.
sorry. I
Can't even
apologize,
walk.
but not in there.
What are you doing? You stalking me?
Yeah.
I can't go for a walk?
I'm the bailiff. I gotta make sure you're not doing anything stupid.
I could just leave if I wanted. The fuck? You kidnapping me?
No.
What the fuck? You kidnapping me?
No.
Yeah, that is not.
Well, Gussie. We meet again, Gussie.
Hey, Vinny, how you doing?
What?
Yo, Gus, let me get a joint, bro. Thanks.
I don't have any
Is this
marijuana.
area?
Side.
Thanks, bro.
Just. Jesus Christ.
Thanks, Gus.
At least here, man.
Right, God. Hey,
I
Gus,
don't smoke
I can do
Do
anything
it
in
out
this place.
there. Jesus Christ.
There's so many rules in this courthouse for. God.
Okay.
Tell me
Hey,
smoke
Gus,
weed.
can you give me Gomez and Mr. K a minute, please?
Wait, what?
Can what?
Hey, can you give me K and Miss Gomez here a minute? Can you step away?
You want me to step away?
Yeah, you could step at the. You can stay at the top of the fucking stairs.
Are you
don't
sure
mind.
about this, Gomez?
I don't. Do you
Are
guys
you
have?
sure about
I
this,
don't think
Gomez?
Guys have weapons, do you? I don't think so.
No, we were
Are
searched.
you
We
sure
pat
about
down.
this, Gomez?
Now listen, Gomez. All right. Listen, Kay. We have a common enemy with her.
You need to stop with that bullshit right now.
Kay. Fucking Rico. We gotta kill that motherfucker for her.
You need to calm down. I got it.
Okay. Rico beat the shit out of this cop and left her for fucking dead. It said he didn't do anything.
Are you
So she
sure
wants-
about that?
So she wants us to put a hit out on him.
Hey, Schlong.
I don't. I never said that.
I think they're ready in here. You guys
All right, we're coming out. Come on, Bim.
All right.
What the fuck?
Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Okay.
Miss Perry? Is your perfume fromage from?
No, it's
from
ordered.
froma-
No, it's ordered to
from
Paris. No.
I thought. No fromage.
No, it's ordered Paris.
Alright, is everyone ready to proceed?
I don't speak German.
Yes, Your Honor.
What? That's French, bro.
Court is back in session.
Oh God, she slammed that down.
Alright. Did you need to continue your objection, Mr. Goldberg?
No, we can proceed. I would like to call a witness at this time.
Absolutely, it's your prerogative to do so.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. So, in lieu of Chief Lane not being here, in regards to something that was said by the defense here, I would like to, if the court deems it appropriate, call a witness, Miss Rosa Garcia, to the stand.
As this was not a witness listed on the docket, does the defense have an objection?
Yes, Your Honor. We did not have any time to prepare for a witness that was not listed.
Your Honor, I'm calling this witness based on statements made by the defense regarding a restraining order that involved Miss Garcia. I wanted to ask her
Yes, Your
some
Honor.
questions regarding that restraining order.
Objection, Your Honor. Nothing has been said that would link Miss Garcia to this individual incident. It would just link her
She
to
was
a restraining
she was
order.
quoted directly.
It would not. Yes. However, the only person that has been linked to the scene and a causal link has been attempted to be made against is Paris Argel.
Correct, Your Honor. We will bring a restraining order due to
You need to calm down.
that individual, not Miss Garcia.
Alright, let's start charging some contempt. You will keep your mouth closed in my audience, or you will be removed from my audience. Is that clear?
Thank you, Your Honor, because I can't even focus.
This is not an MMA fight. There will be no heckling. You will sit quietly and you will listen, or you will leave.
Thank you, Your Honor. The savagery was making me sick to my stomach.
At this time, with the objections listed by the defense, I will not be allowing this witness. Unless there can be more relevant reason why she should be called. That can be agreed upon by both sides.
Yes, Your Honor. So the relevance here is they asked Officer Donovan about a restraining order regarding Miss Garcia and a few other individuals, And it pertains directly to this case, obviously. Otherwise, the defense wouldn't have asked the question. So, since this bears repeating that there was a restraining order involved,
Yes, Your
I
Honor.
would just like to know a few questions regarding that restraining order, as far as who was served these papers and how it pertains to this case. I'm just trying to elaborate.
Your Honor, if Miss Argyle was here due to the fact that they were part of this situation, that would be one thing. However, we are not bringing up Miss Garcia in this trial whatsoever, or this pending trial. Although
My
multiple
name's been said
people were
twice.
covered by that restraining order, that is not what we're
Paris is here.
referring to. We are referring
I
only
do
to the
believe-
individuals that were part of this incident.
I do believe Paris is here. In
I'm
response to what
here.
the defense just said, Your Honor.
No,
Would
I
you like
stated in the individual. We can still object either way due to the fact that you're introducing
here
new
goes fucking
witnesses.
Lois
They were not on the
Griffin.
witness
Twitter,
list,
man.
and we were not given time to speak with or prepare witnesses
No,
or
her
questions for the
backtrack.
witness.
Gang, I.
Yeah, sit down, Lois.
We introduced a piece of paper document evidence, my testimony. It was a document
Honor.
approved by a just.
Sorry, I am not trying to interrupt you.
Go ahead, Mr. Goldberg.
Your Honor, what I find is I wouldn't call a witness to the stand unless it had some sort of relevance to this case. So them saying that their restraining order that had to do with a completely other incident in Grapeseed has some sort of relevance to this case, yet me calling someone up to the stand to elaborate on said piece of evidence.
Your Honor, if he
Your
wants
Honor, it
as
was
the
about the
witness, let her have
casino,
him as the
not
witness.
Grapeseed.
All right,
Well,
let's-
let it happen.
All right, I will give you a very little bit of leniency with this, Mr. Goldberg. You'd better make some relevant questions.
Your Honor, I'd just like to correct the record.
Thank you, Your Honor.
The restraining order is for casino, not Grapeseed. It just happened
I think
after the
so.
Grapeseed incident,
This
but
is
it
my
had
moment.
to do with shootings and offenses at the casino, along with the casino owner.
Yeah,
We can
that's
determine
neither
that
here nor
across.
there as to why I'm
Yeah,
asking.
I would save that for your cross. Oh, sorry.
Hugs, don't be scared.
Certainly,
It'll work
Your
out,
Honor.
okay?
All right, Miss Rosa Garcia, if you're in the audience, you've
Oh,
been
Rosa.
summoned
Oh,
by this
Miss
court
Rosa.
up here.
Guys, come on, I just
Wait,
got.
are we all getting up right now or what?
I thought that was going up. I guess Rosa was going up.
Dude.
Oh, no, it's Rosa.
Sit, man.
I moved out the way so she could get in.
Just sit back down.
You're on me,
What are we
Zach.
doing?
What the?
Do you swear this? Do you swear
no more
to tell the truth and nothing but the truth?
Oh, you kinda
under the
trapped him in there.
penalties of perjury.
All right, please have sworn, Miss Garcia. You may take a seat.
Just snuggle in between.
Thank you, Miss Garcia. Now, Rosa.
Dude, my Twitter's going crazy.
So for the sake of the proceedings,
Bro,
here
you're
today,
going viral.
Please tell
Yeah,
me when
Bro,
did
like
you
my
find
tweet.
out
Yes, I retweeted and
about
liked it.
this
I got a new one.
restraining order
Oh,
in
no.
question today?
Approximately 4 minutes ago when it came out of Donovan's mouth.
So you're telling me you had no
Gotcha,
papers
boy,
served to you?
gotcha.
No papers, no
Bro,
word,
how do you
no
not have a
call,
picture
no
yet?
notification, nothing.
He did, and then it disappeared on me.
So you had no knowledge of a restraining order against you or anything to do with the casino? up until
Absolutely
today?
none.
Excellent. And for the record, one more time, who was listed on the restraining order?
I wouldn't know. I never saw it.
All right, great. So I will ask, for the sake of clarity here, since you brought it up, Commissioner or one of the honorable members of the DA, who was listed on this?
You're not supposed to question their bench. You question the witness, and if there's anything you'd like information on, the witness.
What's this guy to the left? Is he a better lawyer than this
All right.
fucking guy
Otherwise,
playing with
this
his
isn't
Apple
a
iPad
relevant
over here?
witness.
Okay, no further questions, Your Honor.
Just
Irrelevant.
Oh, fuck it, damn it.
To this proceeding, ma'am.
You got this, bro. You got
Miss Garcia. Good day. Did you or did you not step foot in the casino the day before the incident in question?
I've been to the casinos almost every day for the past 2 weeks. I have meetings there.
However, on the day of question, Miss Garcia, were you there the day before? Yes or no?
When was the date?
No, because she was in his
September 25th.
I was there, yes.
Could you explain what you were doing there, Miss Garcia?
Yeah, I was there with a bunch of my friends having a meeting in the penthouse. We were told by the owner who came to the penthouse to evacuate, which we did. We came downstairs, and a girl who was standing at the bar, later known as Autumn, pulled a gun and started to shoot at my friends. When I saw a gun come out, I left and went to my car. I was sitting in my car, and another masked man that was not part of my original party came up to my car and waved a gun in my passenger door saying, "I suggest that you drive away from here now." To which I did.
Miss Garcia, did the police attempt to arrest you for your involvement in this incident?
Absolutely not.
There we go.
Did you make a call to any individuals within the police force in regards to this incident?
I did. I called you and told you what happened.
And what did I say?
Pillow talk.
I don't recall. I think you said file a report.
After that incident, were you abundantly clear who the casino was owned by? Yes or no?
Nope. I know a man with a cowboy hat says he's the owner, and that's all the information I still know to this day.
Your Honor, the witness is referencing Ralph Kane, the 911 caller. Miss Garcia, in addition, I can't ask
What the fuck
that.
is going on now?
God, you're going viral.
Your Honor, at this time, I am going to pass questioning to one of the DAs.
All right, prosecutors Davy or Agatha, do you have any further questions for this witness?
I do, Your Honor. Only one or two questions since it's been brought up. Ms. Garcia, you stated that you meet at the casino regularly to hold meetings. Are you the owner of the casino, or do you have a contract with the owner of the casino to do such?
I'm not the owner, nor do I have a contract.
So you're having these meetings on private property that is owned by another individual?
Yes, but the owner with the cowboy hat, 4 or
Does not-
5 days
yes,
ago.
ma'am. Do you have a contract or an
I
agreement
do not have
with
a
that individual?
contract.
Okay. That's all, Your Honor. Just stating for the record that there was no legal reason for the individuals to be at the casino.
At least it's a public place. What the fuck legal reason do
Mr.
you
Goldberg,
need?
any redirect?
I can't hear. What did you say?
She needs some fashion advice from you.
If you're speaking, you're gonna need to speak up, Mr. Goldberg.
Yes, my apologies. Sorry.
You're all right.
Yo, Tex, give me the
Miss
5
Garcia,
gifted earlier. I appreciate you,
said
bro. Let me catch up on these
frequented the
subs.
casino for meetings, correct?
I do, yes.
All right. And so, on the occasion that you were there,
Mr. Blue, Void
Did you ever
Waffles,
have,
Cleo Guns, No Froyo, Free
were you
Wins,
ever
Pickles Dipped and
told to leave
Ranch.
the premises by anybody
Enjoy
representing the casino?
the Ferguson, Italian
on
Mike,
the day in
Fierce
question
TV,
or
Grizzly,
after?
Victor, Lewis, Royce Dell,
Just in general.
More Rips, Mop Sinks, Tim the Crazy Man.
leading to the day in question.
No,
General
on the
Trees,
contrary,
Waddle
I
Dread.
was
Give
told
me the subs.
specifically by the man in the cowboy hat that I can use the
Objection,
penthouse
leading
for
the
my meeting.
witness and putting into place fact that is not there, Your Honor. We've already established the owner had no knowledge nor no permission to this witness in order to be at the
The fuck is
casino.
Joe Dirt
Whether they
talking
were
about over
there or
there?
not is in question, not in
Ursula
question.
from Little Mermaid.
You are only able to ask.
Get the hell up, madam!
As well as this individual is not a witness to the incident that we're even to in this appeal today.
You're so dumb. You're so dumb.
Thank you, prosecutor.
Everything you're saying is
You're
wrong.
only
You're
able to
so
ask me
stupid.
direct questions about questions asked in cross. Just a reminder.
Yes. Yes, absolutely. So,
You're so dumb.
this is leading up to this. Let me rephrase this. Miss Garcia, you were there, as stated by the defense. you were there for meetings. You had no contract. However, you were there for meetings in a public place, a private as it may be. It is open to the public.
Yes.
Your trailer trash out of here right
Does not require a contract to go into a public place. For
Objection, Your Honor. The penthouse is not public. It is private
this
property.
guy has been objected every fucking question
Your Honor,
he
this
asks.
is also entering into
Where did you
admission
find this
evidence,
guy on the
which
fucking
has
corner
no-
store?
Joe Dirt.
There is no
Whoever that
evidence
is,
been
find them and
been
remove them from the
court.
courtroom, please.
Yeah, please. They're trying to listen to the court case.
Yeah, who the fuck said that?
This is
Speak up right
introducing
now.
evidence into the case.
You know what? As far as the redirect here, I don't have anything further, Your Honor. I just wanted to bring into relevance.
We gotta start firing back at these fucking lawyers.
In regards to her being there.
Oh shit, Mr. Rico's back. What's that?
Lawful reasons in a public place. That's all I was trying to do with my statement.
The dirtbag's back?
I therefore, if they've got something.
Was he Tony Rico, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. You know
Your
what?
Honor, just to clarify, our only objection is that it is not a public plan. It is actually an owned business, and the penthouse is a private location. And I want to have that
That's
corrected
very
on the
close-
record
that's
since the.
very close to testifying yourself, Counsel
Yes, Your Honor.
Davis.
My apologies.
Look at Twitter.
All right. Are there any other witnesses that you would like to call, Mr. Goldberg?
No, Your Honor. There are no other witnesses I would like to call at this
Okay. Do
time.
you have
Thank you.
any evidence? Any other evidence you wish to present?
Yes, I would actually like to reference some information from these case files, Your Honor. And I would like.
Damn,
to,
Tony. Someone found your
for
fucking school
consideration.
yearbook.
Where'd you find that?
I don't know, man. It's on the internet.
Which specifically would you like to reference, Mr. Goldberg?
Stop it.
Yes, Your Honor. I would
I
like
swear.
To, I would like to reference report number
dog alley.
2215, and I would specifically like to go to the report, the officer's statement from
If you
Officer
look at Twitter,
765.
it's very funny.
So the statement is as follows: I processed Mr. Kaboon, who I found inside the store in Grapes.
Yeah, it's Balchin from fucking One Punch.
He was shot in the buttocks. He didn't have a firearm on him, but was GSR positive and was let go subsequently in the cells, not having enough evidence to charge him with anything. They took some contraband off him in this incident, and then he was let
Balchin
go.
Tony, that's what we'll call him.
Now, the relevance of me bringing this up in evidence, Your Honor, is the same thing applied to case number 252, the incident in question, where Mr. Cabin was GSR positive.
Everyone's saying my name different.
Possession.
Literally everybody.
In this, regardless of him not having a gun in his possession, he was charged with assault with a deadly weapon ×4.
Objection, Your Honor.
K-Bun.
First of all, this is
K-Bum.
admission of evidence that has not been approved by yourself, and we are objecting
Nobody
to
has said
submission
Mr.
of these
Kevin.
court processes. Number two,
I think it is
Your
very,
Honor.
very relevant.
Number two, Your Honor. On top of
Or
this,
just Mr. K.
what the council is attempting to do is to show a pattern of officers either letting Mr. Cabon go, but not having a gun in his possession. However, what I would say on that matter is the fact that what council is attempting to do is to create precedents out of cell calls, which is not what precedents are set.
You say it
Precedents
like
are set in
Kevin.
court.
Except with
So,
B-U-N.
with all due respect,
Kevin.
Mr.
Kevin.
Goldberg, these are not court precedents. These
Well,
are precedents
I
based
do
on
believe the
officer
justice herself
decisions.
said that proceedings in a cell call, those are in
Only
similar
supervised,
trial.
Yes.
only supervised by a justice.
Who is that?
What the fuck?
Whoever it is needs to be removed from this courtroom right now. I'm not joking anymore.
This is crazy. Who keeps yelling stuff?
Please go ahead.
Yes. At any rate, Your Honor, cannot use precedents from court from cell calls, as every officer is using their determination in which
We're
they
gonna
wish
get
to
caught
prosecute.
soon enough.
That is, if we do that, we're setting ourselves up for failure, just based on the fact that we could have corrupt officers or officers who are potentially ill-trained, or cadets could be setting precedents for court, which is unreal.
So, and to clarify my statement to you, Mr. Goldberg, cell negotiations are similar to a trial setting, but they do not set precedent. The only precedent that's set in
now
the
she
state is
backs
by
up.
justices sitting on a bench. If it's not overseen by a justice, then there is no argument for precedent.
Understood. So
Common practice, yes. Precedent, no.
So my question to you, Your Honor, is, and very respectfully, cell calls are not to set precedents here. And as the commissioner said, officers who are, and in his words, ill-trained to, for proceeding's sake.
There you go, Schlong.
These things don't set precedents. However,
there you go, Schlong.
The precedence is set for me to have to retain all of the information said in the cells to present the case to you, regardless
chips?
of whether or not it was on the document, the actual court, or the police report document. Do you see what I'm saying? I have no access to these things.
You see what he's saying, Your Honor?
So,
Objection to relevancy again, Your Honor. At this point, we're talking about the mere prosecution of a charge setting precedent, which is completely ridiculous.
I'm struggling to see what your point is here, Councilor Goldberg.
okay, my point being made is we're cherry picking things here that make it easy for the defense to say these things don't set precedent in court. However, then me to derive my entire case off of things that were said the cells, yet we're not on the actual police file.
The onus
themselves.
is on you if you're going to appeal the case. The onus is on you to get those reports and get those evidence, get that information. It was stated very clearly by the DA's office that the police report was available 24 hours after the plea.
The police report was incomplete and was only added to 4 days before this trial.
Do you have access to police reports, sir? Or did you
Your
request
Honor,
a subpoena?
Your Honor, I would like to ask for an expedient judgment on whether or not we have talked in circles around whether or not this case is going to be dropped or not, and I would ask for an expedient judgment because at this point we have argued everything that we can argue on both sides here. Ms. Goldberg is continuing to rotate in circular arguments. I'm doing the same thing, and we just get a judgment.
I will reserve 2 minutes for Mr. Goldberg to make a final statement, for defense to make a final statement, and then I will...
And what's the bald cop's name?
So, Mr. Goldberg, would you care to make a 2-minute
Gus.
closing statement?
Yes, Your Honor. So, in light of the things that I brought forth to the court today, I feel as though I brought relevant evidence as to why this should have been dismissed. However, upon hearing the interlocution between the defense and the Honorable Justice here, it seems like that is insufficient. And I feel as though today we are setting a very dangerous precedent if this does not go in the way of my plaintiffs, as far as police being able to insert statements and witness statements and police statements into the police documents after the fact of me filing my court proceedings. With that being said, I have nothing left to say, Your Honor. Thank you very much for your time.
Is this closing statements for the case or just for that argument?
That's my closing statement, Commish.
For the case, Commissioner, for the case.
But
You asked for an expedient judgment, so I'm assuming that means the defense...
well, I meant for the judgment on whether or not the evidence should be stricken. But okay. That's fine. If we want to go to the
expedient judgment here, do we?
You wanted the expedient judgment on that particular evidence. So in that case, then you've made your statement, Mr. Goldberg. With regards to this, I'm not going to be
fuck?
What is going on?
What is going on, man?
Wait, you're not going to be allowing our evidence?
No, I'm not going to be allowing the case that he wants to be brought up. He's trying to reference the whole argument about the relevance of whatever it was he was trying to bring up, this other new report.
I'm
misunderstanding this whole argument
Your
because
Honor,
we've been talking in circles.
Bringing this in, if you type in to the MDT 2522, this was put into evidence. This was put into the case files by the police department and the prosecution.
Stop that.
Itself.
Case
Stop that.
2522.
What? This shit's got me stressed.
Keep going.
This is case number 3215.
3215 is not 2522.
Now,
I'm
if you read the
confused about what
subtext there, Your Honor, it is Caven versus State, case number
This fucking
2522.
judge feels like she's always all for the cops. This fucking rat.
Rosa, can you move a little bit?
Yeah, you're right, Vin. This judge is so dumb.
This is I did not put that there myself. That was put in by the DA prosecutor. That's why I'm
Case
bringing it up.
2522 is an arrest report.
Please.
Yes,
That
Your
was
Honor.
added to the document.
Yes, in case 3005.
You gotta get up.
Excuse me?
Caven versus State
where you
number
trying to go?
2522. These
Where
both
you trying to go?
appear when you
Yeah,
go into
thanks.
the
All the
NDP.
way.
Those
Look
aren't on the
up
docket.
case
Please get out.
2522.
Those aren't on the docket.
Please get out. Yep.
It's irrelevant.
It's irrelevant as to whether or not they're on the docket. They show up when you look for case 2522. If it's pertinent to this case, then it's pertinent to this case. Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor. I want to be very clear.
You are detained.
Your Honor, I am not arguing that. What I am arguing is that counsel keeps going back to the relevancy of the information we've added to the case file.
Oh, shit.
I do not care if he's referencing things that are on the docket. We are not objecting to that. The only thing I objected to on that was the relevancy to this proceeding. The only thing that I'm objecting to is him trying to strike consistently the evidence that is on the case file.
She was.
I would like a judgment on that, so we can move along with the court.
Everyone, they're trying to take me away. They're trying to detain me. What do I do? I don't have a gun. Leave me alone.
Pushing me up
Justice,
there.
I'm sorry. You might have a gun in the house. Just a second.
Oh my God! Someone has a gun.
What did I do?
Just let us pet you down again, ma'am.
But I don't.
Calm down.
What the fuck was that?
What the fuck was that?
Someone just shot.
Oh my God! Someone's shooting!
Got shot.
Someone's shooting.
Nobody's getting shot.
No.
Everybody down! Everybody get down! Active shooter! Shooter!
Let's get the fuck out of here.
Down, dick!
Gun.
You big dick!
All right, we're good to go.
I didn't even hear a gunshot.
Yeah, they started panicking because I don't know.
It was the gavel.
Apparently, nobody here knows what a gunshot sounds like.
Oh, it's the gavel.
Okay.
Oh.
gavel.
It's the gavel.
That makes
I've
much
never shot a
sense
gun in
now.
my life. I don't know what that sounds like.
Settle down. Settle down. Sit down.
Oh, it got boring all of a sudden again.
What the hell? We snuck a 98 Dell in here.
Yeah, homie.
Go back here. Let's go.
Sit back on my seat
here. You didn't even do.
Get the fuck out of the way.
Good now. Thank you.
Don't worry, I'll just take the corner here.
Appreciate you, y'all. Just keep my head down.
I don't know. I was just gonna go up next to Carmel.
Where am I supposed to go? Sent down for life.
Are we good? Is everyone gonna be able to find the seats?
Matt, Low Gunner, Nick, Dead Star, Swing Set, Spud, Loader, Bulba, Gamboian, Fuck, Trav, Wasted Days, Johnny Knight, Corey R, Lazarus,
Is
Winter
there any issue
Snowy.
we need
My
to
name is Jeff Jefferson
evacuate the courtroom
Collisions,
for?
Nugs, Lalissa,
good now, Justice.
Real
Thank you.
Q,
You're
Sports,
lucky I don't
Glock,
literally charge
McLovin,
everyone in
the
this
shit they
audience
pay.
for obstruction of justice because it's already difficult enough to
FTJ
figure out
Devil and the
what's going
subs.
on. And all of these cause distractions.
So you tell us all to
I'm
get
sorry.
up and move,
I'll report to you. We had information that she had a gun on her.
Okay. All right.
Thank
So if
you.
there's an individual that you believe should not be in this courtroom, I'd ask you to escort them out quietly as one can. If you have to use force, I understand that, but quietly as possible.
I did. I'm sorry. I apologize. Please
It
continue.
wasn't her fault, like, you know. Shit.
Whoever does that, I will literally.
They speak fast though.
All right. Can I have both counsels approach the bench, please?
Sure.
Might be easier to do this without.
So fucking Fried,
having to shout
aka
over
Manny,
everyone in the audience
Haley,
also
Sid,
Bro, I ain't gonna lie to you,
Zelroy.
Kay.
I'm
This
glad he
guy,
pantomimed.
everything
Lord
we
Flip
spoke
Flip
about in the
Emeralds,
back, about him
crippled,
getting to the
no
fucking
lie.
point, he still has not said a fucking word
Yeah,
about
you
what
just wanna
happened.
run out of here, bro?
I'm fucking down. I'll be real.
Subsidy guy, Dr. Pep's Big Tree guy.
This is literally a waste
Monkey,
of my
Barn
fucking
Safe,
time.
Killer, Captain Bam, Narc, Coppers, by the
this
way,
is a weird
Echo, they were the
fucking
100
court
bits,
case, goddamn.
Scooby, Tiffany.
This guy,
Mextel,
Goldschlangen cockface,
Demis,
has not
Daddy
heard
Hiller.
anything about
Oh,
what the
he's
fuck
fucking
we
fired.
did.
He's fired. This guy is fired, but for sure.
Yeah, this guy need to be fired after his first statement.
What's his name again? I need him.
I think we just fucking walk out, man.
Goldschlangen fuckface.
Fuck this guy. This guy didn't do shit.
Bro,
Man,
he
he's
was like,
lost
yeah, I'll get to the
fucking
point.
law
I'll let
firm
them
here.
know. And he didn't do shit.
Are you good? We good?
Yo, this bar this guy while we're at it.
She wouldn't
Thank you.
comply, so we had to.
Commissioner, listen.
Oh my fucking god.
I mean, the only way to get to her is for us to move out the way, right?
We're now.
Sir.
I suggest you sit down the bench here so that other people don't
Sir.
have to get past you.
Thank you. I think I'm gonna campaign to put Cox back on the painting.
What about God? They still get time to produce their evidence.
Above us, on the ceiling.
Let me slow down.
Campaign to get the dicks put back on. It's a prejudice against dick.
The court's not going to give you allowances because you didn't see the evidence. And that includes getting a court order. If you have to get a court order to get the police to produce evidence,
I think you have to wait for him to go to jail to say that.
the onus is on you to do that. Do you understand?
He's already free.
What dick are we talking about?
Ceiling, bruh.
Oh.
There's a lot of pogs on the cocks. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I didn't never noticed.
Fuck the law, fuck the court. Jesus Christ, that's brave.
Well, I was
What
confused
Mr.
as to
K
which-
tweeted.
I understand.
You gonna eat?
I was confused as to
Fucking
which-
breathing on this shit.
So if this is once again going back to the argument about the dismissal of the evidence that was added to the course filing, the case filing,
He's such a,
then
oh,
I'm
he's
not
such a
that-
hard
that
man.
objection
He's
has been overruled.
he's such a,
Was overruled in the
oh, he's
pretrial
such a
motion.
stud.
Is he about to have a heart attack? You hear how loud he's breathing?
Your argument on, then you
Mr. K
Oh,
is
Dick? Yeah.
so sexy.
The fuck is up with this guy? The fucking
I think he wants your
psychopath.
cock, to be honest.
something that was going to be considered in this case.
Well, listen. This was you and me. I was expecting this to be a fight based on information pertaining to the availability of the documents.
You had it all in the cells. It was stated
What
that you
the
had it all in
fuck?
the cells at the time.
Fuck, it's Catwoman.
Well, I will keep that in mind for next time. Thank you for that.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Good work. Keep up the good work.
Thank you.
Got it.
So,
Little Tax Germany, sunglasses, please. This is the light shining on the back of Vinny's head. Show blind.
The fuck you locking us in here for?
Why do you think I brought sunglasses?
I mean, fuck out of here, bro. I quit.
This. He quit?
Yeah, I
He
quit.
should he want to do that?
Yeah. Yeah, I fucking quit.
In the arm, more
Gee,
fucking demon.
he's trying to leave.
You're not leaving.
I'm getting the fuck out
thank
of
you for
here.
your patience. We're all gathered. We are ready to resume.
All right, good, great.
Hey, Judge, respectively, is this court
Damn,
case
he's
almost
like a
over?
ninja.
Holy shit.
Did you just, are we there yet?
Wow, he just
No,
ninja.
I asked
forfeit.
respectively, is this almost over? I asked you.
We're getting there, yes.
Okay.
I believe the defense is, it's the defense's turn if,
I'm telling y'all, fuck this. You alone, Vin.
and then it's up to the defense to do something.
Okay.
I forfeit, Vinny. This is all you.
Only person we're gonna. Is he done?
Are you finished?
Okay, Paris Argyle. I call her to the stand.
She's not here.
Okay.
Mr. Mark.
I call Carmela.
Oh shit.
Skill gapped. Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, straight your shit.
Excuse me.
Skill gapped.
Push his men out of the way.
Of
Sorry,
course,
guys.
that's normal. That's normal. Tug it.
Sorry.
Come on.
Almost there. Okay. Oh, excuse me.
You know what this is going
Okay. Hey, everyone.
Hell no, bruh.
Party. Woo.
Just walk to the end.
The judge is in the fucking.
Oh my
What
god.
the fuck?
What the fuck is this?
She's fucking hot.
Yeah, you would hit that shit?
Oh, I thought we were done with that.
Yeah,
I know,
1,000
bro.
times.
I could talk to her for you.
Swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing
Swear.
but the truth, and the pains and penalties of
Yeah,
perjury.
yeah, I'm real good friends with her.
I guess.
Can give her my number.
I could do that. I could do that. Taste this
I already got her number.
Taste this dude sitting at the desk up there.
She's sworn in, Your Honor.
I already got her number.
Hey, Tony.
Hey, Carmela.
Hi, Your Honor. You look so beautiful.
Oh my god,
today.
you lawyers are so dumb. So dumb.
Looking,
Not you.
I like your purse.
looking snatch, Carmela.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Commissioner, before we proceed with this witness testimony, may I approach the bench with the defense, Your Honor?
Jesus.
Yes, please, Miss Carmela, if you would step down over perhaps by the officers in the jury
We'll
box
make it do
there.
more work. Just let us stay there.
It's witnesses probably shouldn't be present for sidebar.
Hey, Ball Guy, do you want an actual lawyer?
I told him to
give
just,
you a number.
just terminate this court case.
Come here. This fucking lawyer sucks, bruh.
Yeah, I told
What
him
the
just
fuck,
I said-
bro? You did-
I just told him to
Why are
terminate.
we
I
never
said
caught
just-
up there too?
Yeah, but I can't be bothered. Can we leave? Can we go? Let's go, please.
All right, I'm not done to run out.
I'm fucking.
That shit, we are
bullshit.
losing that
Let's go.
shit. Get the fuck out
Yeah,
of here.
there's no shot of us fucking winning this. I better shot of my fucking
Book
head
it!
growing back down to my ass.
Oh shit. You have a car?
No, take this one.
Oh no, oh no, 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 it's the fucking demon. Bro, it's the fucking demon lady. Oh shit.
I'm moving to Vice City.
Fucking bitch. What's up? Benny! What's up? You ain't gonna help your friend? What's up? I got this one, Bim. Oh no! Oh no! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Benny!
Body needs to talk to you.
Oh fuck no!
Mr. K, she needs to talk to you.
Ah! Get me the fuck out of here.